English for customer service jobs. Introduction. In today's globalized world, English is a key skill for anyone pursuing a career in customer service. Whether you are answering phone calls, responding to emails, or communicating face-to-face, strong English communication skills can make the difference between success and failure in a customer service job. This article will explore the importance of English for customer service roles, essential vocabulary, useful phrases, tips for improvement, and the challenges you may face along the way. Why English is important in customer service. Customer service professionals are the first point of contact between a company and its clients. Effective communication ensures that customer needs are understood and addressed quickly and accurately. Since English is often considered the international language of business, proficiency in English allows you to serve a wider range of customers from different countries, handle complaints and inquiries professionally, build trust and rapport with clients, enhance your career prospects and earn promotions. Many multinational companies require their customer service employees to speak fluent English, even if they operate in non-English speaking countries. Key English skills for customer service jobs. Speaking skills. You must be able to speak clearly, confidently, and politely. Active listening is equally important, as it shows the customer that you care about their problem. Writing skills. Writing professional emails, chat messages, and reports requires good grammar, appropriate tone, and clear structure. Reading skills. You will often need to read company policies, product descriptions, or customer queries carefully and respond appropriately. Listening skills. Understanding customers' needs, even when they speak fast or use unfamiliar accents, is critical for excellent service. Useful vocabulary and phrases. Here are some phrases you may use daily in customer service. Greeting the customer. Good morning. How may I assist you today? Thank you for contacting. Company name. How can I help you? Handling complaints. I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing this issue. Let me see how I can resolve this for you. Asking for clarification. Could you please clarify what you mean by that? I'm not sure I understand. Could you explain it another way? Offering help. Would you like me to assist you with that? I'd be happy to guide you through the process. Closing the conversation. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Thank you for choosing. Company name. Have a wonderful day. Tips to improve your English for customer service. Practice regularly. Practice speaking English daily. Try role-playing common customer scenarios with a friend or tutor. Learn customer service vocabulary. Make a list of words and phrases commonly used in customer service and memorize them. Listen to native speakers. Watch customer service training videos. Listen to business podcasts, or follow English tutorials to understand real-life conversations. Take online courses. Many platforms offer free or paid courses specifically designed for customer service English. Focus on pronunciation. Clear pronunciation is essential. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Build confidence. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes while learning. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Understanding different accents. Solution. Listen to English speakers from various countries, e.g., British, American, Australian, to familiarize yourself. Handling angry customers. Solution. Stay calm, listen actively, and use polite language to de-escalate the situation. Finding the right words quickly. Solution. Practice common phrases so they become automatic when speaking. Conclusion. Mastering English for customer service jobs is a valuable investment in your career. It opens up more opportunities, improves your ability to connect with customers, and makes you a more competitive candidate in the job market. By practicing regularly, learning key phrases, and building your confidence, you can excel in any customer service role where English is required. Remember, good English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about delivering a positive experience to your customers.